It was a week where every story was connected, and the thread running through all of them was the same. Oil, gold, earnings, a CEO stepping down, a rocket company building a stage for a big IPO debut, and from the Oval Office, a president offered his country the oldest promise in politics. It will get better, just not yet. Even before the sun illuminated Wall Street, Asia-Pacific markets woke up with much-needed espresso shots, and the same ritual was followed. Check on oil, Strait of Hormuz, and read what happened in the US overnight. The results showed how much risk investors can stomach before the US market opens. Asian stocks were dominated by the US-Iran headlines. Seoul to Singapore, the question wasn't if energy costs would drag, it was how much. European markets, in a way, mirrored what Asia had whispered. The renewed tension reversed travel and leisure's last week's rallies. Now, cross the Atlantic. Wall Street was running on two parallel tracks. Track 1, earnings. Actually pretty good. UnitedHealth's first quarter results surpassed expectations, sending shares about 7% higher. 51 stocks under S&P 500 hit new 52-week highs in a single session. Track 2, oil and the way it moved. On Thursday, WTI crude jumped nearly 4%, crossing $96.5. Brent rose above $105 per barrel after reports surfaced that Iran's parliament speaker had resigned from the US negotiating team. New highs in the morning, losses by the close. That's the week in one line. In the middle of this, you can't ignore the voice from the Oval Office. President Donald Trump said Americans should expect to pay higher gas prices for a little while because of the Iran war, without specifying how long. A story that had nothing to do with oil and everything to do with legacy also made headlines. Apple sent a message not to customers, but to history. Tim Cook will step down as Apple's CEO. John Ternus will succeed him, effective September 1st. Cook leaves an enormous ledger. Markets watched. Apple barely flinched. That's either confidence or the calm before the next chapter begins. From Intel's slow but steady Q2 projection to SpaceX chasing a historic IPO and Amazon doubling down on Anthropic, this week showed a market balancing recovery with reinvention. As we enter into the final stretch of April earnings, Microsoft, Alphabet, Meta, Apple, and Amazon will be under the spotlight. But the X factor continues to be Iran for most investors. Wondering, what is the final piece of the puzzle? The Federal Reserve. They meet on April 28th to 29th. No rate cuts are expected, but in this environment, the policymakers' tone will be key. The big questions investors will have in mind. Can markets keep rallying if oil keeps rising? Will big tech confirm the AI-driven growth story or challenge it? And when the Fed speaks, will it calm markets or complicate the path forward? That's the week. See you Monday.
Download the Dealing app for seamless global investing tools and updates.